I want to tell you about a new AI called Manus AI. It is not available to the public yet. You have to be invited, and this is an awesome AI. I've already created my own personal website with it, and now I'm going to ask it if it will create this website in a WordPress format. And I want to record this since I didn't record my website creation. So let's see what happens. I've already got it typed in here. Can you create this website in a WordPress format? And just watch what this does. Okay, it's been given the prompt. I'll create a WordPress version of your website. This will give you the benefits of content management system, making it easier to update and maintain your site in the future. Let me get started on the converting your static site to a WordPress format. Oh no, it says my credits have been used. Upgrade your plan to get more credits. Let's see how much it is to upgrade. Wow, $39 a month. Let's see, it gives me 3,900 credits. Run up to 2 tasks concurrently. Enhanced stability and dedicated resources. Extended contact text length and priority access during peak hours. Well, being that I already pay for enough stuff, I don't believe I'm going to be paying for this. We will just wait and see. Because $39 a month is a little steep for an AI platform when there's plenty of platforms out there for free. But I do really want this in a WordPress format, so I'm going to go ahead and upgrade. And I'm going to pause the video while I do that. Okay, we are upgraded and back. Let's go ahead and continue. So it's thinking, and I really hope it brings up the side box right here, which is called the Manus computer, and it actually shows you what it's doing behind the scenes. So it's using the terminal to do its work, and now it's asking me to allow Manus to deploy to the public work network again. Accept. And it's these AIs are just amazing. I actually used DeepSeek to create a plugin for WordPress that creates an application to what was it called? I wanted to keep track of my spending for these softwares and such, and keep it on a website that's not facing the public, but I can access it and keep track of my spending, so I'll know exactly how much I'm spending. And it has completed the current task. Website successfully deployed with all requested features and provided to the user, and I will check it here in 1 second. And I like that it asks me if there's anything specific I'd like it to explain about the new website, or any additional changes I'd like to make. And once I check it out, I will see if there's any changes I'd like it to make, and then I'll ask it to make those changes. Manus, like I said, is not available to the public yet. You do have to be background noise. You do have to be invited, And at one time, those people were selling their invites for thousands of dollars. I got in free because there's a certain thing you need to state in your application to get accepted, and I will let y'all know. But first, if you do me a favor, if you'd fill out the form and subscribe for free to my newsletter, I will then send you the instructions to get accepted. So let's see if I don't know. I mean, it's a WordPress theme, so I'm not sure. Let's see. Okay, so that's my website. And oops, excuse me. And I'll have to add the images. That's nice. Yeah, I'll have to go in and add all the images and all the links for the social media and the portfolio images. Yeah, I'm gonna have it take out the fourth portfolio, number 4. That way it keeps it just nice and straight. I don't like having even though it's an even number, I only have 3 sections, and then it has to drop down. So I'm gonna have it fix that. Oh, wait, let me just check down here. Okay, yeah. See, if you'll go down here and fill out this form at my website, SeanJimenez.com. Well, if you're on, just head to SeanJimenez.com and fill that out, and I will send you the instructions to get approved. So let's go back and tell it that I need to take out the 4th portfolio. Take out portfolio number 4 from the website. So it's going to go in and make the change and then redeploy the website, which it will ask me if I want to redeploy it. Yeah, it uses Ubuntu Sandbox. Okay, and here are the changes. And I'll have to go in and add my logo again and all that stuff. So it can't do everything. I mean, I imagine it could if I gave it access to my website, but I haven't given it that access yet, because I've seen Manus actually go in and create a Shopify store for a person, and they actually gave it permission to create the website, and also gave it access to her email so it can go in and when sometimes Shopify will send a permission to use, to send, or actually to make sure that website belonged to her. So Manus went in and approved, clicked the link saying, yes, this is my website. And then she had it go through, and I'm not sure if I said this yet, but she had it go and find the best products to sell on her store and add them, which it did, and also to find the best processor to accept payments and apply with her information, and it did. So I went ahead and approved, accepted that prompt to allow Manus to deploy the application to the public network. And would you like to proceed with the deployment now? So I need to tell it yes. It's just amazing how far AI has come in such a short period of time. Okay, the website continues to highlight your marketing services, including your website development, social media management, and SEO services, while maintaining a clean, professional design that represents my company effectively. Is there anything else you'd like to? Not at this time. And it did provide me a zip file. It's weird, it usually puts it over here for me to download, but I'll go ahead and let's see. Oh, I did. Make sure I didn't download it twice. Actually, I did. That's okay. Wait, when was that? Actually, that was last night, so it only did it once. That's good. I hate my computer when it does that. I'm on my laptop, and so when I scroll just the wrong way, it moves everything up. So let's look at the new thing now. And there's a video here, and it's not showing on. Oh, I have to add the video as well. Okay, good. It's just got the 3 portfolios and the client testimonials, which I'll need to add their pictures. So everything looks good, and that's Manus taking my HTML website and making it into a WordPress theme. Now I'll have to actually go in and deploy it on my website to make sure that it looks correct, and then if it doesn't, then I'll add that here in the video. And I appreciate you guys watching this video, and if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more AI Manus videos that I will be creating. And y'all have a great day.